Now for a different type of promotion tables available in the AcePos system, first of all, you must come to Other section under Administrative Tools, System Setup. Under Cost Price Discount tab, you can see there are two main types of promotion tables that you can set here. One is called Total Sales Promotion, which means that promotion is based on the total amount on the sales bill. The other one is promotion for individual item, which is called item promotion. Now under the item, you would have, for example, normal discount, quantity discount, group quantity discount, and rebate for specific item, as well as purchase with purchase. Now if the same item is being applied for different type of discount, you have to set the priority here. Say for example an item comes out in quantity discount first. So in other words, if one item is given quantity discount, meaning that if I buy 1 is how much, if I buy 2 is how much, buy 3 is how much for the same item. So let's say this is first priority. And then if the same item is being used in the group meaning that you may have a group of say 8 items or 4 items, and choose any 2 for how much, any of the 2 items within the group. That's called group discount. So let's say this is priority number 2. So you set this as priority number 2. Then your normal discount, which means that individual item discount, you will be priority 3. So in this way, the system will know which is a priority for item that you have purchased. So let's say for rebate for specific item, and the quantity is 4, and then you have 5 stock purchase. Let's say, for example, this would be how you set up the priority. So let's apply it, close it. So this is the first step you must do to set the system ready for different types of promotion tables. Now let's say you also have total sales promotion table. You must also specify which one first. Is it purchase with purchase? Is it a rebate? Or is it gift with purchase? So you could be something like, for example, purchase with purchase first, it could be rebate second, and then maybe gift with purchase third. Apply, close, and that's how you set up your system ready for promotion table setting. How to set promotion table for your AcePos system. Now there are many types of promotions that you can set in the AcePos system. For example, you may be giving discount for certain items, you may be giving special prices for certain items, which we call best buy, or you may be giving quantity discount, and so on. So let's start with the first one. Now look at the example here. For all promotion tables, first of all, you will allow different range of valid dates. That means for all promotion, you can set it from which date to which date. You can set whether it's valid on public holidays. Of course, you have to do an entry for all public holidays for the year. You can set it for a specific location if you're running multiple shops. So you specify which shops or all shops. You can specify a name of the promotion to identify what sort of promotion it is. It is an alphanumeric description. And you can set in a VIP package name if you want to. Now, VIP package name are promotions set specially for your regular customers whom you call them as VIP. So any package, any promotion package with VIP name will apply only to VIPs. Now let's look at the first one, which is normal discount or best buy, as you can see on the screen here. Now normal discount means that you're giving a certain percentage discount. It can be any amount. In this example, you can see here is 10% for 3 items, and there is one special item in between which we are giving a best buy. So let's look at how do we set the promotion table for this normal discount or best buy. To set the promotion table, we go to Maintenance, Promotion Table, and choose Specific Item, and then normal discount or best buy, quantity discount, stock group discount, and quantity rebate, specific, purchase. So we choose the first one, which is normal discount. Since this is what we want to set right now, click OK. Now you'll come to this table here. So set in the date that is valid. For example, let's say you're doing for the month of April until the 30th of April, for example. And which location? You can select location, assuming it is for just one location, which is head office. Give it a description, standard discount. Okay. And let's say, does it apply for public holidays? Let's say it's yes, you give a tick. If it's no, don't tick. Let's say we tick. Now this is valid provided you have already entered a public holiday date into the system. Now, VIP package, if you want to apply this to only VIP, you put in a name. For example, it could be VIP standard discount. But let's say it is not meant for VIP, it is meant for everybody. Leave this as a blank. And then you start to choose the item. So you click on add or remove item. Now you already specify the specifics of what you can do. Now add an item, select the category that you want. Now if you're selecting all items, you can do this. Let's say if you want a specific, for example, this example is basically video. Let's say we do video and we say filter, you can see all the videos will come out. So you can go by very specific categories. If you choose something else, for example, and say, okay, this is video from Columbia Pictures, we do a select, only those items that fit the description will come out. So let's do all, and I put specific. So earlier examples, so you wanted to choose this item. So this item is selected, Tor is selected, Space Invader is selected, Land Before Time is selected. So we will push it over here as selected, and you will come over here. So this table here will show the selected items. Okay, these are the 4 items involved inside this setting here. Now whatever is not involved, leave it over there. So we put a saved, click a saved. Now if you make any mistakes, you can push it backward. Not a problem. For example, I take this and I push it backward. I see selected, it comes back over here. Then you're left with 3 items. So let's take this again, because this is one of the items selected for the special discount. And then I say saved. And once you are over here, you can set discount or best buy. Discount or best buy. So let's say we set for discount, which is 10%. We set 10%. And we say change on selected item. You select the item that was on 10%. So we have this one, which is 10%. We have this one, that is 10%. And we have this one, the Land Before Time, which is 10%. So you say change on selected item. So you click. System will ask you, confirm to replace all selected items. Say yes. And you notice that here is given 10% discount. Now you can also come in here and actually enter, for example, 10%. You can also do that. Okay, and it becomes selected item. Or you can do it together like just what I just showed you, which is faster. So let's say this particular item was Best Buy. So this will be 0 if it's Best Buy, and you put in the special selling price. So let's say it's at $8, you put in $8. So this becomes 10% for these 3 items and $8 Best Buy. And you can do a save. Make sure parameters of dates and everything else is correct. And then you do a saved. That's how you set the promotion table for the one example we just shown. Okay, next let's look at how to set a promotion table for quantity discount. What do you mean by quantity discount? In this example, you can see here the product Gone with the Wind. You are selling 2 for $30, 3 for $40. Now that is called quantity discount. The same product being sold in different quantity at different selling discounted price. So the second item, Sleepless in Seattle, for example, is 2 for $32, 3 for $42. So how do we set this up? So let's go into the actual system to do the setup. So let's go to Maintenance, Promotion Table, Specific Item, choose Quantity Discount. Okay. And set the valid date. Let's say it's valid for month of April as well, until the 30th of April. Valid on holidays. Give it a name. For example, quantity discount. If it doesn't apply for VIP, do not put any VIP. Then goes to add remove items. Select the items that you want. Let's do an example. In this case, let's click here to filter all items. Select the items that we want. This particular item and this particular item. Shift it over there. Now let's say we have, for example, this tape 021.001. We have different quantities. That means there is a 2 and there's a 3 for how much. So we need 2 additional lines. So select again so that you get 2 lines. So each line will allow you to specify the quantity and how much on the next page. So we save this up. And you can see it's sorted out. So we can say this quantity, can just key in, this is 2 for 30, for example, and this particular one 3 for 40. So you can set up this way. So in other words, for the same product, 2 is for how much selling, 3 is for how much. For a different product, for in the other product, let's say this is 2 for 32, and this is 3 for 42, for example. So this is how you set for multiple quantities of the same item. You save it up, and this is how you set up your promotion table for quantity item discount. Now let's look at how to set stock group discount. Stock group discount meaning that you can have a range of stock. You can select a couple of items and let the customer choose any 2 or any 3 for a specific price. For in this example, you can see there are 5 items here, and the customer can choose any 2 of the above products for total of $15. So let's see how do we set this in the promotion table. To set the stock group discount, go to Maintenance, Promotion Table, Specific Item, select Stock Group Discount. Again, choose the valid date. The promotion is valid for public holidays, valid as well. Give it a name. For example, group discount. If it's valid for VIP package, you put a VIP package number. Now, under the group discount, you may have number of items because you could have different groups of items. So for each one, you need to put a stock package number. So every one of them will have, it can be a simple number. For example, you can say this is group 1. So we can say GRP1, for example, just a specific name to indicate different groups. So we add items inside there now. So again, let's say I do a filter and I select the items that I wanted. For example, this one and this. According to the paper just now, the chart I've set up, this particular one, 201. Not this one. Let's say it was 202 and this. So these are the 5 items selected. Comes over here. Put a save. And then you put the quantity. For example, any 2 for how much? So $15, for example, you put. So you can select. Now, if out of this group, you can say any 3 for how much. You can also put another line and you can keep on adding. So that means you can choose any 2 for how much, any 3 for how much, any 4 for how much. This is how you set the stock group quantity discount. So do a save. And that's it. That's how you set for stock group quantity discount. Now let's look at VIP package discount. Let's say your VIP is entitled to different types of discount as well, but this applies only to VIP customers. So look at this example on the screen. Let's say the VIP has this particular package discount. First one is normal discount or best buy for 2 items. You can see here they're 15% off for these 2 items. At the same time, VIPs are entitled to a quantity discount, which is similar to one that we have done earlier, which is offered to the general public. It's the same. For example, Gone with the Wind, 2 for how much, 3 for how much, and the other one 2 and 3 for how much. So how do we set this, especially for VIP package discount? Let's go into the system and do the setting. So we go to Maintenance, Promotion Table, Specific Item. We'll do the first one first, which is normal discount. Put in the date that the VIP is valid for. Let's say for the whole month of April. Apply for public holidays as well. Put a promotion discount. You can call it, let's say, for example, standard VIP discount. And in this case, since it's applying for VIP, we have to put the name inside. So let's say it's VIP promo. This is a name. Then we start to add the items. For example, in this case, we wanted this item with this item. We select it over here. save it, then put the discount. For example, in this case it is 15% because they are getting a very much more higher. Select the items that you want to apply this. You can say select all. Yes, you can see the 15% went in, then you save. So this is the first part. Now the second part, close that, open the promotion table, specific item again, but this time it is a quantity discount. So you have to put quantity discount, which is correct, selected here. Put the date, validity date. For example, this is also on April. Let's say for the whole month. Apply. You can call this, for example, quantity VIP discount. And you must put the same name in order to apply for all the VIPs. Just now, the other promotion we said is VIP promo. You must use the same name. Then we know that it belongs to the same promotion package for the VIP. So we add item. So we select item here now. This is the item. Once, twice, because we have quantity 2 and 3. And the second item we have is 012, 002, in this case, Sleepless in Seattle. So 1, 2. We save, so we have both in there already. We save it up. And then we start to change the price. For example, this is quantity 2 for how much? $30, for example. This is 3 for 40. And this is, for example, 2 for 32. And this is 3 for 42. And then we save. So this is how we set. Now, based on this name VIP promo, the system will know that both the promotion package we just set applies to the VIPs based on the same name. They belong to the same promotion package. So we do a save. Now, after doing this, we have to do this to go to the VIP who are entitled to this package. So we can actually do this account maintenance under, for example, let's say this particular VIP is entitled to that. We put there VIP promo so that we know that this VIP is entitled to this particular package. And when is the effective date? You can be the same date. It can be, for example, and you save it up. So now we know that this VIP is entitled to this VIP promo package. Or you can also do it on one range where you do a VIP change discount range for a promotion package. For example, for which account, you can actually choose the account numbers if you want to. For example, specifically, you say, okay, from all the VIPs right up to only VIPs, for example. You can actually do this in a whole range. Let's say these two range are entitled to a certain particular VIP. You could do this and say that it's valid for VIP promo. This is doing by a whole range of VIPs instead of doing it one by one. And then you do a proceed. The system will change all the VIP promo package. So for example, like just now, we did not do it for the second VIP. You can go inside the second VIP. For example, Amy, you can see the VIP promo would have gone inside here. So this is how you can do it, either by individual VIPs or you can do a whole range of VIPs promotion package. Now, based on this, the VIP promo package, which we have set the specific different type of promotion, will apply only to those VIPs whose account contain the same VIP promo code. So this is how you can do specific promotion table for specific VIPs as well.